Good morning, students. Now today we will study EVS lesson number 18, growing up. So be ready with an EVS book and one pencil. Okay. Yes, students, take out page number 61, growing up, lesson number 18. Write down CW and today's date. Okay. Growing up means बड़े होना, grow करना. As you grow up, you were first in UKG class. Now you have grown up little bit and now you are in class 1. Then you will grow little bit more, then you will go to class 2. ऐसे धीरे धीरे grow up होते हैं, isn't it? So this is the chapter about growing up of all living things. जो भी living things होती हैं, they grow. All living things grow. Like a small girl, she converts grows into a woman. है ना? फिर a little boy grows into a man. A little plant grows into a big tree. A chick grows into a hen. Small chick है, फिर वो grow होता जाता है and it grows into a hen. See, you can see a little plant. You sow the seeds, then you get a small plant, and after some years it grows into a big tree. Understood? Now we will read the lesson. We are growing all the time. Yes, we are growing all the time. To grow healthy and tall, we need to eat healthy food. You have to have your healthy diet. Your parents, they give you healthy diet, isn't it? In fruits also they give you dry fruits, food, everything to grow up. Keep our body clean, play games, exercise, rest, sleep and breathe fresh air. All these are the things which we have to do. Then only we can grow and keep our body fit and healthy. We have to play games. We have to do exercise. We have to take complete rest also. We have to sleep also enough to keep ourselves fresh and energize ourselves and breathe fresh air. And we have to go out and breathe fresh air also, to take a brisk walk morning and evening. A clean body is a healthy body. Yes, you keep your body clean, then only it is called a healthy body. Otherwise, it is not a healthy body. We should keep our body clean. Yes, we take bath in the morning. In winters, we take once, but in summers, we take twice, thrice, whenever body requires. So, we should keep our body clean. Look at these children and know how they keep themselves clean and healthy. Now see, picture wise it is shown. You have to follow all these instructions and do all these works. Then only you can keep your body clean, healthy and fit. I get up early in the morning. You have to get up early in the morning. In the first pic they are saying. Second, I brush my teeth in the morning and at night, twice a day. In the morning as well as at night. I take healthy food and clean water. I eat healthy food and I drink clean water. I wash my hands and rinse my mouth before and after every meal. Yes, I need to keep my mouth also clean. So, I have to wash my hands and rinse my mouth. Hands though we wash, we cannot count only that. Isn't it? Many a times we wash our hands and we should. I wear clean clothes. Yes, you should wash your clothes and then wear clean clothes. Not to wear the same old dirty clothes. You have to wear clean clothes. Then I oil and comb my hair every day. Every day you have to comb your hair so that you look neat and tidy, and you have to oil your hair. Okay. I exercise every day. Yes, you have to exercise so that you grow. We can work and play only when we are healthy. Yes, if you are healthy, then only you can work also and you can play also. If you are not healthy, then you will not be able to do any work. To stay healthy, we must keep our body clean, take healthy food, exercise and take rest. Yes, to keep ourselves healthy, we have to stay healthy. We must keep our body clean, take healthy food, exercise, and take complete rest also. Rest is also required. When my body is tired, I take rest. I go to bed early. Yes. When you are tired, you yourself start feeling sleepy and you want to take rest. The body demands rest. So before the body demands, you should take complete rest so that your body remains fit and healthy. So keep these points in mind and follow them regularly. Okay. So we finished this chapter. It is very easy. Now we will do tick the correct answers. Yes, now we move on to the exercise. Tick, write the correct answers. First one, a little plant grows into a big house, big tree, seed. A little plant grows into a big tree. So you put a tick mark in front of big tree. Okay. Second, I drink clean, dirty or impure water. So I drink clean water. Put a tick mark in front of clean water. Third, I brush my teeth once a week, once a day, twice a day. So it was to brush your teeth twice a day, morning and night. Put a tick mark in front of twice a day. Fourth one, we should eat unhealthy food, healthy food or uncovered. So we should eat healthy food. So put a tick mark in front of healthy. Now next question, fill in the blanks with the words given below. Now this is the help box given to you, the words. These words you have to fill here according to the sentence. I comb my hair every day. So put number 1 on comb. I rinse my mouth after every meal. Rinse means clean my mouth. So put number 2, rinse. I take rest when my body is tired. When जब आप थक जाते हो, then you take rest. So put number 3, rest. I exercise every day. So exercise is number 4. Write the correct spellings after seeing from here. Okay. Now my daily routine is jumbled up. Write in the correct order. One is done for you. Now routine, how you get up in the morning till night, what all work you do, that is all written here and it is jumbled up. So you have to write it in correct order. Okay. First one you will start from here. I get up from my bed. So I will put numbers for you and this you have to do in the book this side. Okay. So number 1 is I get up from my bed. Number 2 is I brush my teeth. So put number 2 here. Okay. Third, I take a bath. After bath, I wear clean clothes. Number 4. After this, number 5, I oil and comb my hair. Then number 6, I eat my breakfast. And number 7th is I go to school. So these sentences according to these numbers you have to write here. This is the correct order. Okay. Question and answers that I will send you the PDF, the work which you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.